Hey everyone, here's a quick tutorial on how to use the clone tool in Procreate. First, choose an image of what you wanted to clone. Then, go to Adjustments, scroll all the way down and select Clone. Move the little eyedropper to where you wanted to start, and then you're just going to paint the area you want to clone like this. If the eyedropper moves off the image, just reposition. You'll see it move along the image as you paint. The only thing about this is I can't contain where I paint this way, so I have to be careful not to paint outside the dress. But there's another way to clone an image so it stays contained. We'll choose another graphic, and this time I'm going to make it into a clipping mask for the dress, just like this. Now I'll choose Clone, and since it's a clipping mask, it's hidden, so I have to work blind, but it contains the pattern nicely inside the dress. And there's how you clone. A fun little tool to save time.